Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. This is my 1964 Rambler 770 Classic. I'm going to be fixing some rust spots right there. Maybe back here as well. I'm pretty sure it's developing those because the sprinkler heads are right there and probably hosing it down every day. Alright, so this is basically everything I'm going to use to help that. So, drill, wire wheel, rusty metal primer. Dust mask is going to kick up a lot of dust, and safety glasses because I've had these fly off before. Also, keep in mind when you're wire wheeling which way it's going to spin, because if it's spinning this way, it's going to kick everything off this way if you're grinding over here. So just keep that in mind as you're going into it. But let's get to it. Oh, also, I have a towel because what I'm going to do is I'm going to jam the towel in there to space out the door so I don't screw up all this trim right here. Alright. You can kind of see right there, there is a hole, another hole. But the fact that we're taking care of it now means it's not going to get worse, and this is pretty fixable. When it gets worse, the problem just escalates. Let's keep going. Wow, that paint is sure thick. Can't tell if this white part is actually paint or just like a huge layer of Bondo. But I'm really happy it's not down here. It's up here. Alright. There's another little spot right here. And I think we'll readjust the towel because this wire wheel will grab that towel. Oh, just a tiny little hole. Alright. Alright. So over here where it was coming through, there is no hole. There's no hole yet. Tiny little hole right there. Bring it in for a little closer look. Alright, I got a little alcohol. Wipe this a few times. So basically all I'm looking to do is to stop the progression of the rust, or slow it down at least, until I can really start restoring this project. Alright, so then use the rusty metal primer. Make sure to shake it up really good. So here we go. The other thing I was thinking about doing is, once this dries, putting some clear packing tape over it to stop the water from getting into the hole. But, so you can see the one hole, and then right there's a little Swiss cheesy, but it's bad, but it's not super bad. Alright, so here's another spot on the back quarter panel that I noticed a bit of paint bubbling up. And that's basically what the front looked like before. So I figured once we're here, or since we're here, I might as well dig into it. Alright, so you can see right there, no hole, little hole, little, and then maybe the start of one right there, but otherwise not too bad. Now, it does look like there's something over here. And something right here starting to form. Let's check it out. Yeah, there's this incredible amount of layers here. Like, you can literally feel how thick the paint is. I'm not sure if the white was the original color or if the white's the primer. Alright, let's get it cleaned up and put a little spray on it. Now you'll have the best results. Get it as clean as possible. Give that primer something to stick onto other than just all the dust. Trying to do a light coat at first. Hey, after I spray it on, you can definitely see how it's starting to dig into the metal right there. So I don't necessarily care if this looks as pretty or as show car-y as possible. I'm just trying to stop the progression of the rust, or at least slow it down. Currently, that's all I'm trying to do. Alright, so if you have a car that you like and you want to restore it, but you're not going to be able to get to it for a while, and you start to see these things develop, it's better to take care of those sooner than later. Because otherwise, you know, those will get to that, and then once that, they'll start getting, the holes start getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and then it's just more of this you're going to have to replace. But alright, thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helped.